GeoGeo127 says, Otro dia de profit vamos arriba. Don Zabiason says, Morning.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hey, Shio, Drake, Gonza. Yeah, let's wait for another day of profit. Yesterday was difficult, but we did profit. Before yesterday was very easy profit. And you can say whatever, but now is 3 months that we are not losing one session. So the change in the strategy are working very well. So it's very, very important, and we have something very big right now. I mean, my strategy was very good, was the strategy that I was using all the time. But now is totally amazing. So anyway, if you have any doubt, check the description. That is everything there. Hey, Sergio. Okay, we have a Bitcoin in an interesting area. Very interesting area. I'm going to low down the volume because Cuban is going to say, Okay. Looks like wants to keep going up. Let's see if we can take the big short in the perfect area, or we can maybe have a very good short from this tendency line. Let's check right now first the news. Okay. I don't think it's something very big. I was checking today, but just in case. This is in real time. Okay, I'm not sure.
Alex the timer.
No, the time is when I finish the check. But thank you. I was not sharing the Discord. Okay. Today we have inflation rates. So today we have news that can move the market. So we have to be ready about that. We have them. Is here inflation? Is now, right? No, this was from yesterday. Okay. No, what's now? What's right now? What's right now the inflation? Just before the opening of the market. So 31. Can someone confirm me if the date is it's already sent? Because this is under updating, so I'm not pretty sure. Hey, Atreyu. Yeah, I think it's done. We have the inflation dates. So this was the last news of the week and what's right now, and it's not moving anything right now. So let's see if it has some delay, but from now, nothing. And this was the new.
Tyron says, "Good morning."
Hi, Varen. Now you are going to see the new voice that I put to you. Varen is a kid right now. So that was the new that was watching this. No, this. Bitcoin flat lines as inflation data looms. So, okay, that's done right now.
Tyron says, "What feeling we have about Bitcoin?"
What feeling? Let me check the news. You see a lot of news about the inflation, but now we have the results and it's
Tyron
like normal.
says, "We feel to the moon, oh to the hell."
Bitcoin gains after CPI rose and forex. Okay, so inflation data is over. So right now we can trade like it normally. It's not pushing very high right now. What are doing the whales? We have some interesting capital. Whoa. We have $250 million in BTC inflow today. So this was a very big whale. Whale. Ok, ballena para los que no entienden. $200 million in BTC joined some time ago. Less than 1 hour ago. That's bearish, okay? That's very bearish. Also, after that, we have 40 million, also another whale in Ethereum. But we have an outflow that was like right now, 2 minutes ago. That was 165 million outside in Bitcoin. Maybe it's the same one? Don't looks like the same one. If it is the same one, it's sending the money to another wallet because the wallets are different. So let's be ready. Also, before we have some interesting inflow in USDT, 20 million and $100 million. That is possibility of liquidity, volatility. So it's going to be interesting because it's a lot of money here right now. Hello, Kevin, Drake. Yes, Sergio. Yes, about the... Okay, this is up to date. Also, well, congratulations. We were talking yesterday. I'm not having here where I have it. Congratulations to the 10 people that were in the competition. the competition was allowed to have 30 persons, but only 10 subscribe to this competition, so it's $2,500 only between 10 people. So really, congratulations. A lot of money. We just did a lot of money. We give away a lot of money in this competition. I mean, 2,500 between 10 people. And now we have some other promotions. A new one from deposit and trade of Bitunix. And then we have the all the time by Defi deposit and cashback. That is very, very strong. So don't miss that opportunities. It's totally free. Okay. Bitcoin looks like this in 1 hour. Last time we did this trade. In fact, was from here. Last time we did this trade. And now we have a very, very accurate tendon lines here, tendon line. So this area here can be very interesting to search for short. Depends if how it's going to reach this area, because we are very close to the main resistance. And we have to be very careful about that. About liquidity, there is no big liquidity around here up. All the liquidity, the strong liquidity is down. It's the same that we were checking these days, so that's not going to change right now. So we can say that Bitcoin is still pushing up because Trump, because the 2 weeks of stop war, but only that. So swing area is going to be very clear, and now we are going to try to do scalping in a moment that is going to be really tricky like yesterday, and maybe difficult like yesterday, so we have to be very careful. Let's check La Bestia. Long in 3, long in 5, 15, 30, everything long. 1 hour long. 4 hours is not right now. And daily and weekly still in short. So we can see La Bestia is pushing also. And last long was 1 hour from very short time ago, but it's in positive right now. Let's see what La Bestia is going to do in 4 hours, because that is going to give us very good information. Very good information about what is going to do La Bestia in 4 hours from now. Hey, Pedro. Yes, Javi. Speaking in English. So let's keep an eye on La Bestia in 4 hours. To trade today, we have almost 30 minutes for the opening. We have the inflation data, so we have nothing new right now. And right now, I don't think this long is going to stop right now. Here. Because it was here, here, here. So we can expect at least this, right? So maybe we can try to find the excuse to try to reach this area. I think that's going to be the normal move right now.
Tayo Baron says, look diary temp Alex.
But What? Like for short? For short or for long? I mean, yes, this is the key area of daily. But it's the same. I mean, the key area of daily is this. Is this red area. So it can reach this area very, very easy. And we have to be ready about that. Or if it breaks this area, we are going to be pointing in 80,000. But right now, step by step, let's wait what it's going to do right now. I think if we search for long right now, it's going to be easier. Maybe also we can have some easy profit. Right now, in this exact moment, I don't see a position. Hey, Walter. You too. What is the magic ball telling you, Tuberen? So right now, I think the long area can be this. This area can be the long area. What do you think? You are in
Tyuviran
short?
says, short, scalp, swing long.
Swing long from here? But swing long pointing to which area? I'm waiting for short. But okay. I see just long in scalping right now.
Tyuviran says, when short scalp it's over, we can search long swing.
Hey there, well. When short scalping is over, we can reach long swing. But what is the target of that long in swing for you? Walter in long. Top line or yes, but that's not the scalping, that is swing. I mean, that's not swing, it's scalping. The translators. So right now I think we have to wait a little more. We are 20 minutes away from the opening. If it push back, I'm going to go very, very, very normal in long. And if it push up,
Tyuviran says, I think short to 69k.
but that's like a swing. Let's see, let's update these areas.
69.5k.
These areas are going to be interesting if it goes down. I don't remember why we have this.
Tayu Viren says, 1 hour Emma 200. Tayu Viren says, in 1 hour temp.
Okay, let's wait Bitcoin to go a little down.
Tayu Viren says, in 1 hour temp, it's not for long.
Okay, you were thinking that it's going 69 from here. Let's see the magic ball. I'm going to try to search long to this area. But let's see how is the opening. Right now from here we cannot do anything. I listen to you. Tell me what you are doing, what you are thinking, like Tuberen, like Drake. What about yesterday? 7,500. But yesterday was not there. Let's put in 5 minutes. Okay, right now let's wait a little more. We are only 20 minutes for the opening. La Bestia is starting short in 1, holding 3 and 5. In this exact position, we can do anything. The Beast. The Beast. El camino de las bestias. Hey, the igual, why you don't have voice? Miss your voice. What happened? You are not trading? Vacation mode. If the opening is going to push up, we have nothing to do. If it's going to do this, if do this, we have nothing to do. So let's wait a little more. And short from here is going to be almost impossible in this scenario for me. I think the ideal to trade today is going to be something like this. That's, I think, the ideal trade for today. I'm going to be ready for what is moving. I think X200 is okay. Good morning, trading sin manos. Trading without hands. Okay, so all the chat can tell me, are you in long, are you in short? Or waiting? We have to do two giveaway today. 2 giveaways today. Let's see. So be ready. Anyway, this weekend I'm going to try to improve the translator. I'm going to start to no. 855. X200 will be something like this. I think it's okay. No, we had news about inflation, but it's over. So nothing more. Okay, I'm going to be ready for long. $14 minutes for the opening. Will be very nice if we have the perfect trade today like this. Let's see. Let's see. Plain sin manos, 72,400, my entry price. You are in short. Okay. I really want to see what is going to do La Bestia in 4 hours. I mean, that signal is going to be very important. Okay, let's wait some more minutes. 12 minutes. It's so strange to have in the chat only 40 people. And also I know a lot of you don't want to speak in English or cannot speak in English. So I understand. 11 minutes. We have nothing more to see. We know where is the liquidity. Is all the liquidity down? So that means if we take a very good long, a very good short is going to be amazing. Okay, We have the plan. No, but I understand. It's a big change. I mean, this was the idea. I knew when I changed the language that most of people were going to be outside of the lives. That's the idea. This is like a new channel right now. It's strange, but I like it. You have 150, 200 people. It's funny sometimes, but also distract a lot, so it's better to be like few. Yeah, it's like more close, more easy. I can see exactly who is in the chat. We can follow all the trades that all of us we are doing. Let's keep it, because this is not going to be for a long time. We are going to be in the last numbers, but in English, so it's going to be a lot of more people. But for now, it's like the paradise. We are very few. Nine minutes. Remember, we have to make time. So remember, in my web page, you have everything you need about trading. You just go to the start trading. You have my system, and you have a lot of benefits showing in Capital BTC. Everything for free. Special accounts in the exchange. Access to the indicator La Bestia, that is fundamental. And access to the Discord that has a lot of very important things and a lot of pay thing that you have to pay to have, and here you have everything for free. So just do it. Don't lose time. A lot of promotions. This last promotion was crazy. I mean, $2,500 between 10 people. Don't miss these opportunities. Okay, 7 minutes, and it's not pushing back down yet. Just wait. Relax. Really nothing to do. We have very analyzed this area. Now yes, I'm going to put the countdown. We are ready to trade. 1 hour to make profit. Let's see when it's going to lose this momentum of long. I have a new video that I'm going to put these days, maybe tomorrow. It's going to be interesting for the people that is starting in trading. I'm doing all the old videos like with new information, so it's going to be good for everyone. And also that videos are in Spanish or in English, so it's going to be perfect for everyone. Outflow. One whale just removed $24 million, but in USDT. Remember, we have a very accurate and real-time signal about all the waves. In the exact moment that one whale is doing a movement, we are going to see it in any exchange. So that is very amazing. I mean, really, you have everything to trade and to be profitable. And everything for free. Let's try that this new beginning you really realize that you have everything amazing and for free and you don't need more than this. Just use all this stuff that is for free, please. Spanish community usually is very stupid about these things. They don't realize that it's a lot of things and work and things that you have to pay to have. And that was the main problem about the community. But I hope now it's going to change and you really can see everything that we really have. Three minutes. Today is day of short. Why all the people is searching for short? Huberen, the Grey Wall, I think Drake too. I'm not agree with you. Not from here. I think it's going to be long until at least this area. Morning, Rick.
Re_CK93 says, morning family.
One minute for the opening. Let's finish the week making profit like we start in the week making profit. So if we do profit today, we have all the week of profit. $40 seconds for the opening. Okay, we're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. I'm going to keep it in 5 minutes, I think. For now, nothing. Just to wait. If it's going to keep going up from here, nothing to do. Okay. I'm ready for the long X200. Let's wait it here down. This the 72 is the place for the long, I think. I'm not going to put a limit. I'm going to wait just in case. Short day. All the people short day, short day. Okay, I'm ready for the long X200.
Tayu Viren says, 72.263 my entry.
Re_underscore
Okay.
CK93 says, entry in short now.
Okay. Ready for the 200 now. Long 200 from here. Like this. Very short. Very not very much distant of the stop loss. So
Viren says, be with benefits.
okay, all of you are in short and I am in long. Let's see.
Viren says, you know, when you and me are on different ways, one lose, ha ha ha.
Yeah, I'm going to win or you are going to lose, or I'm going to lose and you are going to win.
Re_underscore CK93 says, I exit my short, little bit of profit.
Viren says, if we are in the same way, both lose or win, ha ha ha.
At least one of us is going to be liquidity. We need liquidity.
Re_underscore CK93 says, why at Tayu Viren got a female voice? Ha ha ha.
No, it's kid voice. Yesterday he told me you can choose whatever voice you want. So I choose this kid's voice.
Re_underscore CK93 says, that's even worse, a little toddler's voice.
I'm going to keep researching about new voices, but it was the first one that I saw. Okay, we are pushing. I'm pushing long and you are pushing short.
Viren says, that shadow and the sail have been filled. Viren says, broken the TL, and go down.
Oh, but that TL was before. I think it's going to be a retest to keep the long.
Viren says, a pack of 5.
Maybe no. Okay. Was not long from here. I was thinking was the perfect area for going long. Anyway, you didn't win because this is in the same price. I was just X200. I'm going to change for. Wait, I'm going to like this.
Re_underscore CK93 says, the beast in 5 meters close the long.
No, if I know in 3. Going to be ready for another long. I need to see this in 1 minute. I'm ready for opening another long X200.
Viren says, long at 71.500 maybe.
Okay, go long again.
Re_underscore CK93 says, in 3 open short form here.
Okay, all are open short from here and I open long from here. I just want you to tell me if I'm right at the end of this live. Okay, Alexander, you were right. Only that I'm going to ask. I understand you all are in short from here. But if this is going long, if this is going long position, you have to say you were right.
Alexander the Great.
And if this is going short, I'm going to say you were right, okay? Deal? Deal. 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 Ok, trato.
Viren says, you have to say the magic balls of Viren was right.
Okay, okay. No problem. But you are going to lose. I mean, tell me one time, tell me only one time that all of you were against me and I lose. Never. When all of you are against me, I win.
Viren
Sorry,
says,
it's just
well,
statistic.
I say scalping short. Viren says, that is a scalping short.
Nah, but you say scalping short to 69. That's like a swing.
Viren says, incadicious. Viren says, haha.
Yeah, okay, okay. Just be ready to say, okay, Alex, you were right. I mean, if this change, I'm going to go short. I have no problem.
Viren says, long in 70.600, lower part of the range Alex.
Hmm, I think if from here.
Robert Tamaranda says, from a macro, many of us think it could be bearish, but I'm in long with UXD.
Tayu Viren says, thinking a rebuy.
I mean, you have to think, why is the price here? Why is the price so high right now? It's only because Trump and the news. So, because it's only because Trump and the news, the price now has to reach one point that be enough. And that point to be enough is going to be here or all this area. Why is going to go down very strong from here? There is not a lot of orders here for short. They are going to be waiting the good, a perfect spot. It's not here. That's what I think. That's Friday night. Gonna be.
Tayu Viren says, cause it's Friday, haha.
Okay. Friday factor can be, yes, can be something. Hey, Seba. I'm going to just hold this long. At least it's going to reach this area, I think. And here I'm going to decide. If this long is not going to reach at least this area, I close. And if reach this area, I'm going to put break even. Easy peasy.
Re_CK93 says, lemon squishy.
TP1, this. Okay, now break even. I'm not going to take partial. Break even here.
Tayu Viren says, SLMB.
TP1 complete. And the TP2 is very interesting. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Remember our deal. Be starting to say mentally, Alex, you were right.
Tayu Viren says, bad my TP, but short scalp was good.
Yes, was a little good short.
Tayu Viren says, for now, your long and my short was identical haha.
Alfredo7583 says, Buenos dias, que bien que avanzamos con buenas cifras, y pagaron los bonos de Betunix usarlos.
Okay. Yes. You have all the bonuses from the $2,100 that you win. 2,500. 2,500. I'm really going to work in this translator this weekend. Yeah, please use that bonuses wisely. That's a lot of money. Okay, Kevin. Because we are now internationals, Javi. Internacionistas. Check the last videos live and you're going to understand.
Alfredo7583 says, at Javi Barbie P9Q Ahora S Combo Trading Curso de Ingles.
Tayu Viren says, 73,127 it's the last max.
Now you are going to learn trading and you are going to learn English. It's perfect. La Bestia is starting to try to open long in 1 minute. Let's see 4 hours, remember.
Gonza Biason says, Alex, didn't you take a break?
A break of what? Good morning, Fernando. Yes.
Gonza Biason says, Breakven.
Break even. Break even. No. I think this can have a lot of future this long. Let's just check if it's going to reject that area again or not. This can be very high. But I think, yes, here in this area, maybe I'm going to take partial. Break even. No, break even, yes. Yes, I have here. This red line. That red line is break even. This is going up, this is going up, this is going up. Are you ready for the last teaching in English class? Start to practice. Alex, you were right. Just start to practice mentally. Not yet, not yet.
Alfredo7583 says, face blue smiling.
Tayu Viren says, for now, no break the resistance.
No, for now, no, nothing. Nothing yet.
Alfredo7583 says, and 100%?
300% today.
Robert Miranda says, now I believe more in you than me.
What happens if you put in the chat in Spanish? In the screen is in Spanish or is translated to English? Try to, let's see, Alfredo. Try to speak in Spanish in the chat. It's in English. Nice.
Robert Miranda says, lo dice en español gringo.
So now you are writing in Spanish, but it's in the screen in English. Interesting.
Robert Miranda says,
nice.
yes.
Perfect. Everything is working perfect.
_CK93 says, speaking like Trump trying to speak in Espanol.
Hey, you can start to put at least like in the video. Like. Like. Now, if the translator don't know how to say like, because it's translating the like. Put like in the video. No, don't know how to put that in the translator.
_CK93 says, you already have my like.
I know. Just checking. I'm going to hold this position. We have long in 1 and long in 3. He's keeping the long in 5. And we are free in 15 and in 4 hours. Let's see 15. Hold. Okay, here is the place where we can put the first partial. I don't know if I'm going to do it because I really think this is going to break up.
Tyuviran says the cow.
But this is a normal area to take partial.
Alfredo7583 says, Fue rarísimo mi saco en el PC.
Trump backend WLFI token drops 12%, recording the low after defense multimillion. Okay. WLFA is still going down. The crypto coin of Trump.
Alfredo7583 says, Le doy al icono en vivo y mi dice video no disponible.
But you are inside now. Let me check.
Alfredo7583 says, Modo restringido habilitado.
Restringido. Let me see. I open.
Alfredo7583 says, Estoy en el teléfono.
No, I entered without problem. No idea, Alfredo. Thank you, Suali. It's just starting, eh? I think it's just starting this. Let's say together, let's start to repeat together. Alex, I think you were right. I think nothing is going to stop Bitcoin between here and this. Okay, I'm going to put the break even right now very close to the blue tendance line, like 260.
Denny4739 AGC says, Hi Alex and community.
Hi Drake. Hi Danny.
Alfredo7583 says, Bor el cash why de ho.
Ah, okay. That's because the pornography. Okay, I still not taking partial.
Alfredo7583 says, Que bien yami gradu en Ingles.
What the fuck? Why I'm listening to things? Do you listen also to things or it's just me? What's the cell phone?
Denny4739 AGC says, Did you put break even?
Yes. In 261.
Alfredo7583 says, Yo escribo en español y el lo pone en Ingles.
Okay, easy profit today too. We had a very, very good week, a very, very good month, and a very good year. We are just the best.
Re_CK93 says, Is it too late to say Alex was right? Ha ha ha.
I think now you can start to say that slowly because I think now it's like, okay.
Tayu Viren says, Both was right, Alex. Tayu Viren says, My short scalp nad your long haha.
Okay. Because you are the god, I'm going to say okay. Okay, now it's breaking up, so now it's going to continue going long normally. Reversal, no. It's breaking. Except, now it's, okay, except something like this, but stronger. Maybe. Let's see where this candle is going to close. And if it's going to close down this blue line, I'm going to take partial. 23 seconds. For now, nothing. It's just a crazy candle. Okay, I'm going to be very ready to take partial. If this candle, this current candle,
Denny4739 AGC says, This is the best community cause we have Alex Instinct and the Taivan Diaresis S Crystal Ball Jijij.
If this candle, this current candle, if it's go red, I'm going to take partial. %50% I'm going to take. Okay. I'm going to take partial right now. 50%. Just in case. And I'm going to put the break even very, very, very close, like 300. Okay, nothing to do now. A lot of profit, and this can be go up anyway. That partial is just in case. I like this Friday. You like this Friday? You like this Friday? Are you ready to say, Alex, you were totally right?
Alfredo7583 says, Alex dijo que celebraciones y aplausos luego del 300%.
No, I don't say that. No, I didn't say that. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. If you want 300% of profits, I'm going to give you 300% of profit.
Alfredo7583 says, rewind. Denny4739AGC says, ha ha ha, stop squeezing Alex.
If this profit is not enough for you, I'm going to give you 300 of profit.
Alfredo7583 says, pero igual el 200% merece. Hand pink waving : hand pink waving : hand pink waving.
Pumping wavy. We have to do the giveaway of Bitunics. I have $100 to give away today. $100 to give away today. Let's do the, you know what I'm going to do. Long time we don't use that.
Tayu Viren says, ha ha ha.
Alfredo is the best in what I'm going to do right now. You know what time is this? Okay. But this is empty.
Tayu Viren says, you have right, Alex. Swing long to 75k.
Okay, thank you.
Tayu Viren says, they're short all in.
Sure, all in. 75. Yeah, okay. It's not working, this web page. Looks like it's a problem here. It's not me. Let me check another one. Oh no, now it's working. Was with delay? Okay, now it's working. Who is trading in Bitunix with the link of the community? With my link. Fuck the community. ¿Quién está comerciando en Bitunix con el enlace mío?
Me.
Tayu Viren says, here.
Alfredo7583 says, yo.
We have $100 to give away. Nobody more. For real, this is crazy. I mean, we are giving a lot of money. We are giving away a lot of money. We give away $2,500 yesterday
Alfredo7583
in the competition.
says, no more start.
And now we are giving away $100. And we have no more people. Totally crazy. I mean, that's very good for you because you are going to win like everything. You are going to win almost everything. But it's really crazy. We are, I think, the only community that give away too much money.
Alfredo7583 says, Allah won.
Okay, here we have
Alfredo7583 says, I lost too.
we have Gonza, Alfredo, and Tuberen. You know that Alfredo is going to win, so it's going to be between Gonza and Tuberen.
Alfredo7583 says, why I lost 3.
Tayu Viren says, in here.
But you know that Alfredo is going to win because
39 AGC says, Bybit community got rights to jjj.
Alfredo always won.
Tayu Viren says, just clients.
Okay, I'm going to give some more minutes just in case. If not, we are going to do a giveaway of $100 between 3 people.
Alfredo7583 says, Pero es que la dayon muy fácil no participan.
Yeah. But better for you.
Denny4739 AGC says, Ale, what about Bybit community?
Bybit, I don't know what is Bybit. No.
Alfredo7583 says, S Moss Report N3 Sin Sortio.
By Defi and Bitunix. To have all the free benefits. And special accounts. Alfredo, you really want 300 of profit? Are you sure? Okay, let's do the giveaway because...
4739 AGC says, Jajajajaj, I was wrong, Bidfi Jajajaj.
Okay, good luck.
Tayu Viren
For
says,
$50.
I like so much Bitunix.
Tuberen, congratulations. You won $50.
Alfredo7583 says, yes, 300% say the crystal ball.
Tuberen win $50. And now it's going to be interesting. Alfredo versus
7583
Gonza.
says, Buena at Tayu Viren.
For $50 more. I think Gonza, I don't want to be
Gonza
bad
Bison
with
says,
you,
Jajajja.
but you are going to lose, Gonza. You know, Gonza, that you are going to lose, right? I mean, it's almost impossible to win Alfredo in this. 1 versus 1 with Alfredo is like...
Gonza Bison says, Alfredo always win.
1 versus 1 between
says,
Alfredo
Not a Gonza va ganar. Gonza Bison
and Gonza.
says, I know.
This is so easy for
Viren
Alfredo.
says,
This is
at
so easy.
Fernando Rodriguez 8579 no. Only
Okay, let's
people
go.
have registered with link
Good
between
luck.
Alex.
Re_CK93
Gonza.
says, why there is only one option. Ha ha ha.
Gonza
Robert
has
Tamaranda
beat
says,
Alfredo.
99% Alfredo, 1%
Wow.
Faye.
First time that I see that Alfredo lose
Gonza Bison says, yeah.
something like this. Congratulations, Gonza.
Serena121 BTC says, Hello Master Trophy Yellow smiling hi team like this very much person turquoise waving.
Gonza Bison
Gonza,
says,
you won
I can't believe.
$50.
Alfredo7583 says, yes, got it, Gonza Bison.
Sometimes,
Gonza
yes,
Bison
Alfredo.
says, ha ha ha.
Sometimes you have to
Gonza
give some
Bison
opportunity
says,
to
"Thanks,
other
Alex."
people.
Serena
problem.
121 BTC says, Congrats Tin and Gonza.
Hello, Serena. Serena, you were very close to participate. Okay, I'm waiting for the 300% of profit to say to Alfredo that I was right. Can be a very good opportunity to put a very strong short from here. No, not very strong, but I mean, the strong short is going to be like here. But from here we can
says,
search
I
for
close
short.
long with 100% profit, and my short scalp with 80 in profit.
Very well.
Alfredo7583 says, Est mes vamos por los 10 millones de volumen en Bitunix.
Imagine if we have all these benefits, like always we have a lot of benefits. Imagine if we really put all the people trading with us. We could have a lot of new benefits. I mean, all these benefits are because my volume and a little yours. But if we put more people here trading with us, it's going to be like crazy benefits. I mean, totally crazy. I mean, you have no idea you have no idea. I was planning crazy things to do, but we need more people trading.
Tayu Viren says, I feel bad for Bitfeet.
Alfredo7583 says, Alex tienes como lavarnos un reporte periódico de volumen para Bitunix?
I use only by Defi, eh? 300%. Okay, Alfredo, you have to tell me something, I think. All of you have to tell me something, I think. Come on. Don't be shy.
Denny4739 AGC says, congratulations Alex. Re_CK93 says, I've already did it. Alfredo7583 says, yes, very good job Alex, all win.
Because all the people were in short, so this was like a competition. Okay, if I mean, I'm not going to search for a short there
Gonza
because
Biason says, Alex new things.
it's 1 hour 40 minutes right now.
Tayu Viren says,
Or maybe
but
yes.
really Batunix it's betting when at high volatility.
I use 100% by Defi because they give me a very very good cashback. I mean, for trade with good quantity of money, by Defi gives you very much more. But Bitunix is nice too. The cashback of Bydefi, the special account of Bydefi, it's crazy. I mean, if you really trade, it's a lot of money that you have back. But Bitunix is very nice too. So I mean, we have very perfect two exchange to trade. I mean, you should choose whatever you want.
Denny 4739 AGC says, I keep on trading on Bidefeed.
Yeah, I use also now I was really thinking of trading a little in Bitunix to win some money in the competition. But I say now, okay, I'm going to leave that money for you. So I'm happy that you win a lot of money in this competition. I have some positions anyway in Bitunix, but my strong money is in Bydefi in trades all the time. Okay, it's late, was very long live. I think can be a good idea to search for this, to search for short here, if it's not going to do this, like this. But I'm tired, it's Friday, so I
Tayu
think
Viren says,
we made a lot of
the
profit.
function B it's so good in Batunix for the beginners.
We did
Tayu
a lot
Viren
of profit
says,
today.
like me haha.
Alfredo 7583 says, no Tomas de Ganancias and 300%?
No, because I took a profit in 120%. So now it's just to close. Now I just have to close the trade. But it's going to come here. It's going to go to that line.
Denny 4739 AGC says, put the break even higher.
It's going to go here. I mean, I'm really sure it's going to go there. Here is the target. We are very close. I'm totally 100% sure.
Serena 121 BTC says, I really love Bitfee Master but we'll try Bitunix soon.
It's okay, you choose whatever you prefer. Bitunix is better if you don't have very big capital because you can have a lot of bonuses. And Bydefi is better if you have some capital because you win a lot of money back in the cashback. It's just like that. This is a lot of profit, people, eh? Wow. In Bitunic, you have
Alfredo7583 says, Consigamos on cashback and Bitunics.
in Bitunics you have a special account. The normal account that we have with the link is special. But by defi cashback is very big. Okay, Drake. That's why by defi usually don't make new promotions, because the money that is given for the cashback is very much, plus the deposit campaign that is always for you 24/7. That's a lot of money. Plus the special benefits of BIP2. I think I'm going to wait a little more because make no sense for me to close right now without this point. I don't know if it's clear in the screen right now. So Ali was late and but this 100% approved. Nice. Sometimes it's not late.
Robert Tamaranda says, more arrows are needed to make it clear.
Okay, I'm going to try like one more here, one more here, one more here, one more here, one more here. Okay, it's clear now. Looks like a star, right?
Serena 121 BTC says, I entered because you said it is just beginning, haha.
Is we have inflow of a lot of money, eh? Be careful.
Robert Tamaranda says, maybe.
We should have 100.
Serena 121 BTC says, I'm in this long too.
We have $90 million that just entered in exchange. And 20 before. So it's coming a lot of money in USDT. That means that they can do whatever they want here. That's a lot of money. I could close now or wait. It's going to be, I think, the same. But I have to go for food. I have to go for food. And if it's going to do something like this, I don't want to wait this. I don't want to wait something like this. So I think I'm going to close anytime. Thank you, Drake. Who is happy for all this profit?
Robert
Nice,
Miranda
nice.
says, me.
It's
Denny
very nice.
4739 AGC says, me.
It's very, very nice to end the week like this. All the week we made profit, but to end to a lot of profit is amazing. So you really know. I mean, you only need to have a La Bestia indicator, special accounts that we have, special alerts that we have, check the news, and you have everything to make money. And the most important thing, obviously, of course, risk management.
Re_CK93 says, I think a short is coming.
But the risk
Serena
management,
121
we have it in
BTC
my
says,
strategy.
Me plus 50%.
Alfredo7583 says, Déjale eso $200 de subida otros ya es buen logro.
Let's see. For now, we can do like this. This is just tendency line that was from here. I put it here, so it's like breaking right now, but this still have a lot of. I mean, there is not going to be a reason to search for short before this area. There is not going to be a reason before this area. Nobody's going to put very big orders in sell before that area, so just wait there.
Alfredo7583 says, En la meta que %da?
What? I didn't check, I don't know. Maybe 300 40, something like that. But it's not about the percentage. We already did it. But I mean, to close now is to lose some money. Going to put the break even here in 800. Oof. That was very violent. I have no time to put the break even, so it's, I had it here. I had it here. I think it's going to do the same that I told you. Like this and like this. I mean, that was the exact level that I put before. Just natural to come to go up more. I think this is going to be just like that. Just in case here, a break even like 700 is perfect. And then just hold. That's high, 1 hour. Replace, can break this point. This has to start short. Look this yellow line, I mean. It's a little lower. Okay, maybe this is going to be a little slow. So I may be going to close the live. But I don't think it's going to be short yet. Anyway, be ready for everything because this is trading. I really want to see this price here to see if it's going to give a very clean opportunity to go short. But I think it's going to be slow, so yeah. It's going to be 11 p.m. for me. 11 de la noche. Okay, guys. We did a lot of profit. We are still doing profit. We did a lot of profit this week. And we give away $2,500 this week. And we give away $100 today. Perfect week. I'm just going to close and to go for search for something to eat. I'm going to hold this position with this break even to try to reach this area. Okay? Okay, have an excellent and amazing weekend. And see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.
Re_CK93 says,